Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's go to the what is going on gold trading, weekly gold trading analysis. So last week my gold trading made good profit in the my Telegram group VIP gold trading signals. You can join with its link is below and join with that Telegram group and get the VIP access and get the more profit for the gold trading next week. So let's go to the what will going on gold trading next week. So I am in a daily chart gold. You can see that this resistance level, two resistance points I am marking with the technically picture. This is the this resistance can be supporting the right sides. That's the simple technical theory. So 2150 is the one support level, and the next support level is the 2088 level. That is the two support level for the goal can be support this level. That's the technically this is the level you should remember what are the levels. So that is the levels. Price can be supported, left side resistance become support. Simple technically theory. So let's go to the what is the going on economic data next week. I am going to the Forex Factory website next week. More volatile economic events will be held. That is the federal funds rates. You can see the 20th March next week, Wednesday. 5.5 is the Fed's current interest rates, American Central Bank, and 5.5 is the that they forced to forecast to pause the rate again in 5.5 interest rate. So I am going to the Fed Watch Tool website. So what is the going on with the interest rate forecast? So I am going to the Fed Watch Tool website. So this is the Fed Watch Tool website. That is, I am going to the March FOMC meeting forecast. That's the 98%, almost 100% forecast to post the rate again. That is the March forecast, and I'm going to the May interest rate. That is also 93% forecast to post the rate again. March FOMC meeting. That's the 5.5 rate. 93% forecast to post rate again. Then I am going to the June FOMC meeting. That is the interest rate cutoff 25 bps cutoff forecast to market, and 41% again forecast to post the rate again. This is the dollar demand reasons. Because of 5.5 aggressive rate, Fed will be maintain and keep that is the reason for dollar demand. 5.5 interest rate pause again March and May FOMC meeting. So that is the reason for dollar demand with the interest rates. Let's go to the technically what is the technically analysis next week your gold trading. I am in a forward chart. This is the support level. Last week price has supported last week this zone. This is the several times test this support zone technically. That is the 2153 level. Again price is in this level last week. So I am seeing this is the technically pattern, triangle pattern. I am seeing this is pattern 2153 level. That is the support level. Price as several times last week tested supported. So I am seeing this is the pattern descending triangle patterns that the price was continuing last week. This is the pattern I am seeing technically pattern triangle pattern. This is called descending triangle pattern. So I am hoping price retest again and drop to the below side and drop to the below side. That is the my next week option. That's the you have sell opportunity goal again. This is retest area 2150 area sell opportunity. Wait for the breakout this triangle and retest. You have a sell opportunity. My target is 2125. So FOMC meetings will be there in next week. That's the Powell is the hawkish tone with the press conference that will be the reason for dollar demand as the economic event. So technically this point, this is the sell opportunity goal next week. So I am not expecting to break out to upside. So I am expecting to break out to downside. You should remember market uncertainty is there. If market uncertainty will be continuing next week, that will be reason for gold demand. That's you should remember that. So that is the next week my analysis. So sell opportunity. So thank you very much.